去幼教展览会，去给大家看看有没有什么寓教于乐的早教玩具。
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I could be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay.
有一些福利是我本来在线上没有争取到，然后我来线下。现在我跟老师要吃个饭，面树脂它你不是种草很久了吗？
种草开始了，现在刚还没试营业呢。
然后下午我们还约了ditty本。
I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy.
啊，还有面子。哦，这个很好听。
这个是绝版了。
这个绝版了。
什么声音？
就是那个屎尿屁嘛，小孩最喜欢的。展示一下战果吧，崔先生。